Hello guys and welcome to Syndicate App Training. In today's training, we are going to go ahead and learn everything about our Syndicate application. So I'm going to take you to my mobile screen and I'm going to explain all the features in one go. So if you are a new CP and if you are not empaneled with Syndicate by Property Pistol, then you can download the application, and after downloading the application you can go ahead and register yourself. Our team will get in touch with you and they will go ahead and do your empanelment, and they will go ahead and register you with Syndicate. So we would like to welcome you if you are a new member, and if you are an existing member, we would like to share the application training with you. So as we go to our application, you might see that the interface over here has been changed, and you will see that a lot of new features have been added. So let's go one by one. On the top, if you see, there is a notification icon now. So by clicking on the notification icon, you will be able to check all your notifications in one single tab. If we go back and you see, there is a small pro icon over here with a crown. So if you click on the pro icon, you will see all your pro leads that you have added into the application. Now if you want to add a new lead in the Syndicate Pro, then all you need to do is, on the top right hand side corner you have a plus icon. You just need to click on the plus icon, select the project for which you want to refer a lead, enter the client's name, and once you enter the email address, you have to enter the mobile number. Click on I accept and you are now good to go, and you can create a lead in the Syndicate Pro. So you can see the lead has been added. Now if you want to edit the status of this particular lead, all you need to do is you can click on the lead. After that you need to click on edit, and after clicking on edit, you can now change the lead status. You can mark it as dead, or if the booking is being done, you can click on booking. If the site visit is done, you can click on the site visit done tab. Now you have an option to upload the site visit form, so there is a proof that has been recorded in the application itself. Once everything is being done, you can click on save and the lead will be updated. Now let's go back to the next feature. Let's go back to the main screen. Below, just besides the pro icon, you can see there is a question mark. Now when you click on the question mark, we have created a new ticketing system for you, which means that now you don't need to send an email or you don't need to call up your RM. All you need to do is you can click on the question mark icon. You can see there are a lot of issues which are already there for which you can submit the ticket. Click on the client follow-up issue. You can describe your issue, you can add whatever image you have, and now you can click on submit. Now when you click on submit, this ticket will be added and you can see the status real time on the screen, which means if you want to see what notes have been added related to this particular ticket, you can very well see that when it is being followed up by our internal team. Now let's go back to the home page. Now just below these icons you have your agency name, and then you have these application stories. So if you click on any of these stories, you will see that all the new offers or all the information about the particular project is been displayed over here. And at the bottom you will be able to see that there is a swipe up option. So when you click on any of the, when you swipe up, you will be able to see this is a project, that page that you have landed on. You can see the images on the top, you can see the name of the project, you can see what is the ticket size over here. You also have three options, like you have the website, share and directions. So if you want to share a micro website which has been embedded or personalized for you, if you want to share that, you just have to click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, you have all the options like WhatsApp, you can send it via email, you can send it on business WhatsApp, or if you want to send it on any another chat platform, you can do that directly from the application. Now the best part is, if somebody clicks on the link, fills up all the information, that lead will automatically be captured in your Syndicate application. Just going down a little bit, you can see all the images related to the project are mentioned over here. You can see the brokerage slab. If there is any documentation like any brochure is available, you will be able to see it over here. If there is any video for the project, you can see that over here as well. You will get the YouTube link. And if you are one of the channel partners who are doing online marketing, digital marketing, if you are generating leads through Google or any another platform, so we do have API integration. You can see the API key is mentioned over here. You can copy it and share it with your digital marketer. They can capture all the leads. All the leads can be seen directly over here. If there are any campaigns going on, you can also see those campaigns at the bottom. If you want to save this particular project, if you have a lead or you might have a lead in the future, if you want to save it, on the top right hand side corner you have a bookmark button. So now you can see that this has been marked your favorite. This can be saved as well. Let's go back to the main page. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will see there are 3 icons over here. One is giving you talking about the booking till date, second it is exploring the matches that you have, and third is showing you about your earnings. So if we click on the booking till date, this page is actually going to take you to the passbook where you will be able to see the revenue you have generated till date. Apart from that, whatever bookings that you have done, it will show it over here. Now this particular tab is divided into 2 places. One is property booking and the other is home loan. So if you have referred any clients for home loan, you will be able to see those clients over here. If you have referred any clients for project booking, or if you have done any bookings, those bookings can be seen over here. So just for your demo purpose, I will click on this particular property bookings, and you can see you have all the transactions over here. All your bookings can be scanned and all your bookings can be seen in one single tab. On the top, if you see, there are some icons over here. It shows your total earning. Apart from that, you have the total bookings, how much revenue is being released till date, how many collect and collect points have you generated till now, what are your expenses, and if you have earned any kind of ladder incentives, that can be seen over here as well. Let's go back to the home page. Okay, going to the next icon, which is explore matches. Now if you have uploaded any client or if you have uploaded any property in this particular application, in our syndicate application, our application will run that through an algorithm, and according to that it is going to mix and match all the properties. So say for example, as we look on the screen, we have 3 options over here: my clients, my properties, and my matches. So say if I have uploaded a client who is requiring a 4 BHK in CBD Belapur. So what my application is going to do is, it is going to check the inventory with other channel partners as well, and it is going to provide you the matches. So if you see over here, it says 4 matches. So when you click on these 4 matches, you will be able to see that all these channel partners have a property which has been required by my client. So I can directly connect with them and I will be able to go ahead and make more business, do more business. So this is the power of syndicate application. It helps you to get more business. It helps you to network within the community, and by doing this you will be able to generate more business. So let's go back. If I want to post any requirement over here, all I need to do is I need to click on the plus icon. When I click on the plus icon, I will just enter the client's name. I will select what kind of property I want. Is it resell or is it rental? What is the budget that the client is looking for? So I'll just put over here as 5 crores. If there is any project type, I can go ahead and mention it over here. I can select the radius, in what radius I am looking out for, and now you can see I have the city, region, locality, and the preferred projects if I have any one. Okay, so I will click on create. So I just will select one building. I have just selected one building, and I have now created an entry. I have now entered a client. And you know what, for my surprise, I have also earned 2 points for the connect and collect. So I'll say okay over here, Now you can see over here that for a configuration of 4 BHK and for 5 crores, I already have 5 matches. So I can do more business with our resale and rental model. Now let's go back to the main page. If I scroll down, I can see all the projects which are highlighted or which Property Pistol is supporting. So on the top right hand side corner of this projects tab, I have view all. So I'm going to click on view all. After I click on view all, I can directly search for a project or I can filter it out with the region. On the top, you will see 2 tabs. One is featured tab and the other one is all projects. In all projects, you can see the information of all the projects which have been uploaded in the Syndicate application. In featured projects, you will see all the projects where Property Pistol will be providing you support as a channel partner. So let's take this particular property which I can see on the top, which is Godrej Big Bull Kandivali. I will now go ahead and click on it. It is again going to go ahead and show me all the information related to the property, like the images, what is the ticket size, what is the brokerage slab, what is the key for which I can go ahead and do the integration. So all this information can be seen over here. Now we have also added a new feature in the application which is called as compare. So now if I want to compare, I can compare up to 3 projects. Let's go ahead and see that. So you see on every project there is a small box which can be ticked. So I have selected these 3 properties and now I can go ahead and click on compare projects. So if you see, I have now got a comparison between all these 3 projects. I can come to know what is the ticket size. I can see the location, the configurations which are been available, the carpet area that is available, the starting price of the apartments in these buildings, and now I can also compare it on the type of inventory available in these projects. So a very handy and a useful feature that we have added in the application, which is going to help you compare different projects. You can compare 2 or you can compare 3 projects at a time. Let's go back to the main screen. If you scroll down, you will come to the Syndicate network. So when you click on Syndicate network, basically normally we use WhatsApp for our requirements, but sometimes we miss out on the messages. Over here, what you can do is you can post a requirement. So I will click on the top right hand side corner plus icon and I can put a requirement over here. Required 3 BHK in rent for 55k. So what I've done is I have posted my requirement. So I have posted my requirement and now what I can see, I've also earned the click to connect points, and whenever there is a requirement, if I want to go through my requirements, if somebody has that particular property, they will connect with me. So I can see in the My tab, I will be able to see all the properties or all the requirements that I have posted. If I like any particular property or I think I might have a client for this particular requirement, I have 3 icons. I have flag, I have save, and I have call. So I can click on the save icon and then later I can check it in the saved tab. If I want to check the properties near me, I can click on near me tab. Now all the properties according to my location, I will be able to see it over here. Now the requirement which has been posted, I can see that 1 BHK semi-furnished flat for rent, budget 22k for the family with all amenities. I have a client for this particular requirement. I can directly click on the call button, connect with the channel partner and generate more business. So this is how Syndicate networking is helping to create more and more business within the community. So let's go back to the home page. If we scroll down, you can see there are 6 icons over here. The first one is Syndicate Pro. So we have already seen the Syndicate Pro. The Syndicate Pro can also be accessed by clicking on the icon on the top which has a crown. So it's the same page. So you can also click on Syndicate Pro in this 6 icon and you will be landing up on the same page. Going back, now we have the Connect and Collect scheme. So if you click on the Connect and Collect scheme, you will be able to know what are the terms and conditions of the Connect and Collect scheme, and it will give you all the information about how you can redeem these points as well. So let's go back to the home page. We have also included a home loan section over here. So if you want to refer any clients for home loan, all you need to do is you can click on the plus icon on the top, enter the details of the client and click on create. So when you click on create, this lead will be transferred to the home loan department of Property Pistol, and we are associated with majority of the banks and we will be able to provide competitive interest rate to our clients as well, and we would be able to take care of the home loan requirement for our clients. So if you want to check the home loan clients, you can click on the home loan tab. If you want to understand recently referred, so you can click on that. This is the demo app, so we don't have any information. On the top you will see there are 2 icons, one is helpline and the other one is EMI calculator. So if you click on helpline, we have now provided you support by giving you the numbers of the people or the representatives in that particular region. If you click on EMI calculator, it is a very simple calculator. If you are sitting with a client and if you want to understand how much EMI the client will have to pay, you can play around with the numbers and give an approximate amount to your client. Going back to the home page, okay, you have the resale and rental. We have already seen this particular part. So if you have any client, if you want to refer a client or if you want to refer a property for which you want to get more clients, you can post the requirement over here. Our algorithm will go ahead and match the channel partners who can fulfill the requirement. Okay, then we have the rental agreements. So at Property Pistol, we do help our channel partners to create the rental agreement. Now, all you need to do is you can refer this link to the client, or you can open up the website, fill up all the information, and our rental agreements team will connect with the client and take care of the agreement. Next, we have also seen the EMI calculator. So this is the same home loan calculator that we have. Going back to the home screen, if you scroll down a little bit, we have added the new section which is called as the events. Now, if you want to attend an event, whether it is online or offline, you do not need to depend upon the WhatsApp broadcast list. Now, what you can do is you can go to the application and you see that there are so many events which are being scheduled right now. So what I can do is I can click on any of the event. All the information related to the event will be mentioned over here. If it is an online event, you will be able to see a link to join the event right from the application. If it is an offline event, it will show you a QR code for the event, as well as it is going to go ahead and give you the directions how to reach that particular location. It is also going to give you the location details in the link to reach that particular location. Going back to the main screen, we have also added the training section. So if we scroll down, we have also added the training tab. So whatever trainings that are been made available for our syndicate channel partners, all those trainings can be accessed over here. Now we have also introduced a tutorial video for you for the application. If you click on this, you will be taken up to a video.
Hello guys, and welcome to Syndicate App Training. In today's training, we are going to see all the new.
Okay, now that we have ended with the home screen, if you see at the bottom, there are 5 icons in total. So we have home, then we have the CRM. So any lead that you add in the syndicate application can be seen over here. Okay, now if you want to add a lead in the syndicate application, what you can do is you can click on this plus icon at the bottom. You can select the project, you can enter the name of the client, the phone number, the email of the client, you can select the source, you can put in the comments. In the comments you can mention what is the requirement of the client. You can click on loans, refer for loans if you want to refer the client for any loan, and you have to click on I accept, and then you can click on create. The moment you click on create, the lead will be added in our system, and now Syndicate will provide their support. So if our team is calling up the customer, or if the customer is visiting the site, or if the booking is being done, all can be tracked over here by clicking on the link. So I have clicked on one of the link. I can see over here, I see the call option, the call recording, WhatsApp and SMS. So if you want to listen to the call recordings that have been done to the client, you can click on call recordings and you will be able to see all the calls that were made to this particular client, and you will be able to listen to them. If you want to check the follow-up notes of Property Pistol Syndicate, then what you can do is you can click on the Property Pistol tab and you will be able to see all the comments over here. Like you see, the number is switched off. Now going back, at the bottom you also have the option of projects. So we come to the same place where you have the feature projects and all projects which are been mentioned. Then you have the icon of passbook. So in passbook again you will see all your earnings. Then you have the option of more. So when you click on more, you will be able to see a lot of options. I'll click on the manage profile. Over here you will be able to do some basic settings of the application like dark mode, or if you want to enable the biometrics, and you will be able to see if the KYC is being updated. If you want to check all the office address or manage the office address, all the information will be available over here. If you require any help or support, you can always click on help and support. It will take you to the same ticketing system that we have created. Okay, if you want to log out, you also have the button to log out over here. Let's go back. If you click on the Syndicate launch projects, it is going to take you to the feature project page. If you click on the resell and rental, it will help you with getting the resell and rental, my matches and everything. If you click on Syndicate networking, you have two options: requirements, so you can post your requirements, and you have the meetings option. So if you click on meetings option, you will be able to see or rate the meeting that is being done with our RM. So please do rate the meetings and give us the feedback. If you want to refer any clients for home loan, you do have the options. It will take you to the same tab again, and then you have the help and support tab. So it is going to take you to the ticketing system. So guys, this was the complete app walkthrough. I hope this will help you to understand our application in a much better way. And if you have any queries, you can post them in the application, or you can always call up your RM and we would be more than happy to help you with the same. So thank you so much for watching the video, and thank you for being a part of the Syndicate by Property Pistol.